Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, May 7th, 2024. Check out the Grok radio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.7 cents, down 2.26% with volume down 37.79%. The price is ranging from a high of 13.1 cents and a low of 12.7. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,410,154,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 10,396,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 311,266 holders, up 102. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 44.01%, number 2 is OKX with 11.01%, and number 3 Coinbase with 8.36%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 206,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.